Hi, this is Rahul and welcome to the study on tapping. What I'm going to be showing you over the next couple of videos is how to use tapping with respect to intros, outros and mid-sections of your songs as opposed to just soloing with tapping. Over the next couple of videos we are going to be looking at right hand and left hand techniques and then move straight on to application. This is not going to be a collection of licks that you can use, but I'm hoping that you'll get ideas and you'll be able to work with that in your songs and incorporate that into your existing songs or stuff that you come up with later. Alright, so let's get started. So let's break that exercise down into two sections, the first section and the second section. I'll address the second section first because it's easier. Through the entire exercise I play the same 4-chord progression, which is B minor, A major, G major and back to A major. Although I am just playing the root and the fifth with the left hand. And that's a nice exercise for the left hand, just to play the root and the fifth and get used to hammering out the notes without any strumming from the right hand at all. So here's exercise 1 basically. Let's move on to the right hand technique. For the B minor, I'm essentially playing a minor third an octave higher and moving down to the second or the ninth. For the A major, I'm playing the ninth as well. And the same for G major. And when I ascend from G to A, what I essentially do is when I play the G major and I hit the ninth, I move a tone up. And I come back to the A, I do the same thing. I play the A major, I hit the ninth, and move up a tone. And this is all the tab that you get to see. So I'm just explaining the notes at this point. And this is what the entire exercise would sound in completion. So once you're done with the second section, you can move on to the first section, where the chord progression gets simpler for the left hand, which is basically now a B and an A, and I'm still just playing the root and the fifth, and I'm just vamping between that. And this is what it would sound like. The right hand is a little more involved at this point and it's playing around with the B minor scale or the B Aeolian scale. For the B minor chord, I play the second, the minor third and the fifth. For A major, I play B and I move up to the next diatonic note. Again, back to the B minor, I play the same second, minor third and fifth. I go back to the A, I play the seventh and the fourth. I go back to the B minor, I play A, B, and C sharp, and back to B minor. And on the last A, another thing that you can play is the fourth, moving up to the fifth. And you can play around with that entire section and just use your own notes on that. is the same stuff that you find for the left hand when you're starting out guitar. All the chromatic exercises, all the scale runs, descending, ascending. That's what I basically do all the time. I'm just trying to play around the B minor scale. And that gets your hand used to actually using all four fingers and moving your left hand and right hand at different places, and just getting used to seeing the fingerboard in a different way, and that your left hand is, you know, playing a chord at some point. And your right hand is still going ahead with the melody and anything else you want to do with it. So that takes a little time. It'll manifest itself in its own way. And well, best of luck. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.